Very good evening. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu Shares and Wealth Management Private Limited, and this session is about the post-market analysis, how the market have gone today, whether the support or resistance, whatever we have discussed in the morning, it reacted or not. That's the thing we are going to discuss. So morning itself, we have clearly told that today we can see a one-side market, but today, as per the market move, it's like a roller coaster market we have seen, because morning it was around Nifty future was opened around gap down of 160 points. From there it went up to the level of 17,033, again 140 points moved upside. Then it came down to the level of 16,838, nearly 200 points have came down. So this kind of more volatility was happened today in Nifty future. If you see about the Bank Nifty future, the same thing was happened. Bank Nifty future, if you see around morning, it's around 366 points of gap down we have formed in the morning, and from that is 366 points gap down, it got recovered towards the level of another 310 points. From 38,410 it came down to the level of 37,672 likewise. So after 2 o'clock market have crashed more than down. So if you see morning, what I have told that Bank Nifty is very weak compared to Nifty. The similar thing was happened because Nifty is down by minus 0.87%, but Bank Nifty is down by 1.56% in index itself. But if we see about the futures trade, how it happened, Nifty future 17,018 is the previous close, and today it was opened around 16,863, nearly 150 points of gap down, 150 points of gap down open we have seen in the morning. Afterward it went up to the level of 17,033, nearly another 150 points, 130 points went another 170 points of moved upward movement. After that, from 17,033 it went down to the level of 16,838, nearly 200 points of crash from the high level. So this is the Nifty movement we have seen. So Nifty was down by minus 1.06%, but Bank Nifty, if you see from yesterday's close, that is 38,466 is yesterday's close. Today it opened around 38,100, nearly 360 points of gap down. After that it moved towards the upside of 38,410, nearly 310 points moved higher. After 38,410 it came down to the level of 37,672, nearly 760 points of moved downside we are seeing from the higher level. But Bank Nifty was down by minus 2.06%. Bank Nifty future, I am saying. Okay, this move is showing some bearish or very well sell off, that is weakness in the market, if you ask me. Yes, because last 3 days we are seeing very consolidated market. It's not moved towards a higher level of 17,250 or 17,050. Likewise it is not breaking, so it moved towards the lower level we are seeing. Okay, but if you see about tomorrow is the monthly and weekly expiry is that. So how would be the tomorrow's expiry, if you ask me? I will tell that market is on a weak condition, it will not sustain the higher level, so we can expect further move towards the lower level also a possible, if the global cues are not in a positive opening or positive closing tomorrow. Or if you, for example, if I am saying about the Asian market is on a negative way tomorrow and SGX Nifty is giving a negative signal, then our market would cross around 16,700 level or 16,650, also a possible level for Nifty future. But even if you see about Bank Nifty future, already it's around 37,672 it's trading. So after that, if you see another bearish is coming, then it can break towards a level of 37,200, also a possible level for Bank Nifty future. So I am expecting a negative weekly expiry by tomorrow. So long position can be see to that whether a trend is achieved or the resistance is breaking strongly, then we can go for a long position. Otherwise we have to wait for the market to set up or to take a support for move towards the bullish. So I am expecting bearish market for tomorrow, monthly expiry closing. Okay, And coming to the point of global views about the market, today the European market is running on a minus note, that is FTSE, that is London market is running around minus 0.66%, and CAC and DAX is around minus 0.47, 0.68% respectively. And Asian markets are that the SGX Nifty is currently trading on minus 0.87%, and it is minus 149 points of down, and it is trading around 16,889 like US. So if today evening the SGX Nifty is closing at around 16,830 or 840 level, and tomorrow it is opening further gap down, then our market can be a good gap down, we can find out. So today's market, if you see about morning 160 points of gap down open, and it was closed near to that open only, that is 16,863 is open, and it is closed towards the level of 16,838 level. So whatever the market moved from the open to the higher level, then it closed near to that open level itself. Okay. And any news about the market, if you see in this market, Religare rupees 8.41 crores NSE block trade have happened for 5,02,306 shares at the rate of 167.4. And Axis Bank is around 1,135.5 crores BSE block trade. It's a multiple blocks, it's saying. So for 1 crore 57 lakhs and 48,941 shares at the rate of 721. It's a good bulk deal we are seeing. And John Cockerell company wins an order worth of rupees 160 crores. That company's market cap is around 590 crores. And Man Infra Promoters bought 30,000 shares via open market, they are saying. Okay. And Ellen Amp company win order worth rupees 1,000 to 2,500 crores. So these are the major news we are seeing. And coming to the point of sector wise movement, how the sector wise movement happened today, and we have seen that Nifty Bank already told it's a very weak compared to Nifty. So Nifty Bank was moved towards minus 1.80% close, and auto sector minus 0.01%, that is in a flat note which was closed. And financial services around minus 1.41 and minus 1.15 respectively. Then IT we are seeing for further 3 to 4 days it is an uptrend only. Today it was closed around 0.09% positive. Then maximum PSU banks is around minus 2.64% negative, and pharma it's around positive of 0.74%. So then other sectors, if you see, healthcare is around positive 0.75%, and oil and gas today it's around minus 0.87%. These are the major sector wise movement I am saying. And top gainers and top losers in Nifty, if you see for today's movement, Asian Paints is around 3.01% positive, and Sun Pharma 2.26% positive. Then Dr. Reddy is around 1.78% positive, Eicher Motor 1.68% positive, and Nestle India 1.46% positive. These are the top gainers movers today we are seeing. And top losers in Nifty, if you are seeing, Hindalco minus 3.40%, and JSW Steel 3.30% minus, then Axis Bank 3.13% minus, then SBI minus 2.85%, ITC minus 2.84%. So these are the top gainers and top losers. Now I will share my screen now for your reference how the market reacts to our support and resistance level. We will see. It's a 15 minutes candle, and today's movement only I am showing you. This is of Nifty, Nifty futures chart, how the market moved from the open. If you see, today is the gap down open of 150 to 160 points down. Afterwards the market moved towards the higher level. If I am following the candle base analysis, I would have gone long after 945 or 950 itself. For example, if you see the first candle's high is around 16,894 and low is around 16,835. But the second candle itself broken the first candle's high of 16,919. So whenever the market is breaking, that is whenever the third candle or fourth candle is breaking the level of 16,909, we can go for a long. We have already told you. So 16,919 was broken on the third candle itself and moved towards the level of 17,033 is the level. So it moved at the higher level, and if we followed this candle based analysis, we would have made a profit of 100 points likewise. And after that, it gone down to the level of 16,838 level. So this is the movement we are seeing. But support and resistance level, what we have discussed in the morning, yes, I will show you. 16,867 median is there. So if 16,867 was broken, then we can have a rally towards 16,920 and 16,982, and pivot is around 17,046. But pivot was not happened. 17,033 itself, it gone down. It was not broken the pivot resistance itself. So tomorrow I am expecting some more fall in the market. So but be cautious, tomorrow is a monthly contract closing, so we can expect a good volume and a good movement, but see to that if the minimum profit also sufficient for us. Don't wait for a huge profit. Okay, coming to the point of Bank Nifty futures, I will show the screen now. 15 minutes candle and today's intraday chart. You are watching the Zebu Smart Trader software. It's an excellent software for technical analysis. So here, if you see in first 15 minutes candle itself, 38,150 is high and 37,855 is the low. So from there, the second candle was not broken the high and low, but afterwards, if you see third candle was broken the high of 38,300 is the high. So afterwards the market is on a consolidated move. So here after 11:45 only that high was broken. So from here, if you take in the position of 38,300 level, then you would have made a profit of 110 points in Bank Nifty future. So afterwards the market gone downwards. So if you see about the support and resistance level, what we have shared here, 37,963 support is there. If it was broken, then we can have a rally towards 38,130 and 38,368 respectively. Here if you see it was happened or not, yes, it was happened. So 38,930 it was broken and it went up to the level of 37,930 was broken, went up to the level of 38,130 and 38,200 level also it was achieved. The same, the support level also broken to the level of 38,672. What we have seen here is a 38,559 as support, but it was moved towards the level of 38,672 and it was closed. So this is a futures and options movement. But tomorrow, if the gap down is happening, we can expect the market to open nearly 16,770 or 750 respectively, and further move if the support was broken towards the level of 16,730 or 720 likewise, then we can have a move towards 16,580 also a possible level for Nifty future. But coming to the resistance point, if the gap up is happening, the global market supports our market for move towards the higher level. If the gap up is happening towards the level, I can expect minimum of 150 to 160 points of gap up opening. From there, it moved towards the level of 17,130, also a possible level for Nifty future. But Bank Nifty future, if you see Bank Nifty future continuously 3 to 4 days, it is coming to the weakness. So we can expect a weaker market for Bank Nifty tomorrow, if possible, because of tomorrow is a contract closing day. So we can expect Nifty to be weaker and Bank Nifty to be a stronger one also. No, that can be a possible one. So Bank Nifty, if weaker in the sense it moved towards the further 37,400 level or 37,250 level also a possible level for Bank Nifty future. But resistance, if you see 37,850 and 37,930 and 38,150 also a possible level for Bank Nifty future. Then coming to the point of options, how we can make, how the opportunity made in options today. If you see, market was a roller coaster we have seen today. So call option and the put option also given a good profit. For example, first I am showing you the call option, how it given the opportunity. Only for buyers I am saying, not for option writers I am saying. 15 minutes candle itself. Yes. If you see morning, it was opened around 172 and low made towards 124. So after that, the high is around 187.95. The second candle, third candle itself, it broken the high of 189.4. So here after fourth candle the 189.4 was broken, then it moved towards the rally of 257. If you would have bought at 190 and we have sold at around 250 level also to the 60 points, we can tap in the Nifty 16,800 call option. I am saying so nearly 60 points in a sense we could have made a profit of 3,000 rupees. This is a good opportunity. I am saying it after 257 it came down to the level of 98, nearly 140 points have moved downside we are saying. So option writers would have made a profit this in this opportunity itself. So this is of call option I am showing you, but put option if you see, put option also given a good profit, decent profit I think. Yes, I am showing the 16,800 put option. Yes, from the morning it came down to the level, from the level of 89.45 is a high. From 89.45 it moved towards the level of low is around 26.05. From 26.05 if would have invested at 26 or 30 itself, our margin would be on 1500. So from 30 it moved towards the rally around 63 is the high. So nearly it got more than the double also. So if you would have invested 1500, you can make a profit of 1500, totally 3000 rupees. This is an opportunity we are seeing in put option in Nifty 16,800 put. So the similar in Bank Nifty also 37,900 call I am showing you, 37,900 call. If you see 15 minutes candle, yes, the intraday chart I am showing you. Yes, from the level of 450 it was opened at 538 is high. From the level it gone towards the level of 615, nearly 80 points moved upside. But option writers in Bank Nifty 37,900 put inside 37,900 call is that from 615 it moved towards the level of 130, nearly 500 points to 480 points have moved downside. The option writers have gone a good opportunity in this 37,900 call option. And if you see about the put option here, yes, 15 minutes candle, yes, this is a put option movement. In morning itself 347 is the high. From the high it break down to the level of 107 is a low. So from here it moved up to the level of 356, nearly 240 to 250 points of moved upside we are seeing in Bank Nifty 37,900 put. Even if you see around 130, the level is at 112. From 112 it moved towards the level of 356. So this kind of opportunity we are seeing in options for we can make a good profit with a decent margin or lower level margin. But the only thing is that we need to identify that trend so that we can have a good and decent profit. So trend analysis is the major part. You need to enter into that trend only. You should not do blindly, because in options is a much more risk is there. So we need to enter a trade with a good and trend analysis only. So for that trend you need to discuss with your wealth manager or investment advisor, then only you need to enter into a trade, or else you can comment on a comment box. We will be reverting on a comment. So this session will be useful for you I think. So thank you for watching this session. Have a great day.